Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock cleanup on IL3 trophy in Pragmata. To get this trophy, you need to cleanse 3 or more enemies at the same time. At first, this can feel tricky since you have to group enemies together while your cleanse charges slowly, but there's an easier way to do it. Head to sector 6, the central port. As you progress, you'll encounter a large enemy that spawns multiple smaller enemies around it. Instead of attacking right away, stay patient and let the enemies gather near you. Since the area is tight, they'll naturally bunch up. While they are circling you, charge your cleanse ability by holding down LB on Xbox, L1 on PlayStation or E key on PC. Once 3 or more enemies are close together, activate it. If done correctly, you'll cleanse all of them at once and the trophy will unlock. That's all you need to do. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.